Need someone to install bidet? A bidet, also known as a washlet, is a bathroom fixture that has revolutionized how we clean our undercarriage after using the toilet. It has become a popular component of bathrooms in Canada as it allows a targeted cleansing of the body part that has long relied on using less hygienic toilet paper. Installing a bidet or washlet in your bathroom has the following advantages. Saves on toilet papers. It is more hygienic and gentler than toilet papers. Soothes any discomfort in your undercarriage. It is very convenient and perfect for the aged. How much will bidet installation cost? Bidet installation costs will vary depending on functionality, model, and design. Some of the bidet brands in the market include Brondell, Toto, Bidet, Tushy, SmartBidet, Luxe Bidet. You will be able to trust the friendly, skillful professionals at Ottawa Plumbing Service. Call our Ottawa plumbers today at 613-317-1682 or just email us.